How to edit comment settings on your account on Instagram PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit comment settings easy and fast on Instagram easily. So all what you have to do is go to instagram.com. This is the home page. Now go to the top corner and click right here on your profile picture, and then go down here to settings, and after you click on settings you will find many options here. Click on privacy and security, and after you click on privacy and security, now all what you have to do here is scroll down. You will find edit comment settings. Click on it, and right here you can manage the comment settings easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.